Kryptonians. It's Crypto Big Boss. Comes to you again with another informative video. And I just can't stand the fact that this dude, Elon Musk, keeps running his damn mouth and we are on a roller coaster ride because everybody just seems to want to ride his coattails and ride the wave. Now, I've said time and time again that this man does not control $1 trillion market cap asset. And I swear if this guy is not out to prove me wrong. Look at this headline. Bitcoin rises after Elon Musk says Tesla will accept Bitcoin again once miners use 50% clean energy. And everybody knows Bitcoin's up over $40,000 again. It was sitting around there mucking around 35K. 37K. This guy says one thing. Elon! Hey man, make up your mind. Make up your mind, man. Alright? You wanna control Bitcoin? What is it exactly are you doing? 1 minute you don't want to accept it. Now you want to accept it after the miners reduce their energy problem by 50%. Let's dig into this article and see what it says. Bitcoin is on the move again thanks to Elon Musk. I think I'm going to throw up. The Tesla CEO and Dogecoin lover said in a tweet on Sunday that Tesla will resume allowing Bitcoin transaction if and when there's a confirmation of reasonable 50% clean energy usage by miners with positive future trend. Bitcoin popped nearly 1% after the tweet to 37,000. Here's the actual. Let's see what he said. Did you see Elon Musk is catching flack again? But what's it for this time? Okay, let's just keep reading the article. Okay. Here's the tweet. This is inaccurate. Tesla only sold 10% of its holdings to confirm BTC could be liquidated easily without moving market. When there's confirmation of a reasonable 50% clean energy usage by miners with positive future trend, Tesla will resume allowing Bitcoin transactions. If you had subscribed to this channel, you would know exactly what I'm about to say. I told everybody that Elon Musk didn't have a problem with Bitcoin. I told everybody that the guy bought billions in Bitcoin and he had no intention of selling it. Everybody seems to think that the guy was the freaking Bitcoin hater, Dogecoin lover. I told everybody that he didn't like paying over $40,000 for it. Now all of a sudden, the price goes all the way down. I told everybody he's going to drive it down, he's going to buy it up, and then he's going to drive it back up. Nobody's listening to me. If you need to have a history lesson in how this is done, read a little bit about Mr. Warren Buffett and the railroad. Mr. Warren Buffett, I want to thank you so much for teaching Mr. Musk how to manipulate markets. If he's manipulating them at all, I still say that he doesn't have the clout and the power to manipulate $1 trillion freaking asset class. However, these tweets do seem to have some kind of marginal effect, short term. Now, they will not be long-lived. They are short-lived little tweaks. However, we can read right here. Look at this. The tweet was a response to Cointelegraph story about Magda Wirs, the CEO of fintech company Signia, accusing Musk of a Bitcoin pump and dump scheme after. You know what? That's kind of what I said. After Tesla bought 1.5 billion in BTC, and then in Wizard's summation sold a big part of this exposure at the peak. So we've got these folks over here accusing Mr. Musk of manipulating Bitcoin. I told everybody what he was doing before he even did it. Is anybody listening? This is why you need to understand the technology. Stop looking at the talking heads. Stop hearing what they're going to play in the water. You know, kids go out there and they splash in the mud. Okay, mud gets all up on you and everything, and then they go and they clean themselves up, and then they act like they didn't do anything. There's mud all over your car. When they go out again, when it starts raining, they start splashing the mud. That's how I look at Mr. Musk. He's just a kid out here playing in the mud. Why are you listening to him? Why are you listening to some kid out here splashing in the mud? Why don't you go out there and listen to that woman over there that's over the SEC, the Security and Exchange Commission? Why aren't we looking at all of the options trading that is being introduced for Ethereum? Hello, that's what we need to be looking at. Capability, community, not some kid splashing in the mud. Oh, goodness. Must dismiss Wisdom's criticism as inaccurate, adding that Tesla only sold 10% of the holdings to confirm BTC could be liquidated easily without moving the market. Musk did say in April that Tesla sold 10% of its holdings, essentially to prove liquidity of Bitcoin as an alternative to holding cash on balance sheets. Thank you, Mr. Musk. Thank you. I'm tired of people saying that if I put my money in there, it's not going to come back out. Thank you, Mr. Musk. In the past year, Musk tweets have repeatedly moved crypto prices both up and down. Tesla's Bitcoin purchase in February gave a boost to both Bitcoin and Tesla stock, but then his surprise tweet in May that Tesla will no longer accept Bitcoin due to environmental concerns prompted a major pullback that has continued as he continued to tweet his concerns about Bitcoin. Meanwhile, he has favored the meme token Dogecoin instead, and his Doge meme tweets have repeatedly boosted Doge. Price charts show that Elon effect. You know what? They stole my term! Elon effect! Who the hell wrote this article? Hey, Jose! Antonio, thanks for the shout out. Yeah, Elon effect, that's mine, okay? On cryptocurrency prices is alive as ever. After Musk's tweet on Sunday, Bitcoin broke through the resistance level of 35,000 to 36,000 for the first time since the beginning of recent bearish trend in April. Hey, Jose, man, can you give me some props for this Elon effect thing? I mean, I only got 6 freaking videos talking about the Elon effect, okay? The debate over Bitcoin's environmental impact has grown louder and hotter over the past year and has prompted critics to call for more. The current portion of Bitcoin mining that already uses renewable energy is in dispute. In 2020, a report from Cambridge Center for Alternative Finance estimated that 39% of Bitcoin mining uses renewable energy, while a 2018 report from CoinShares, a crypto investment firm, pegged the figure at 77%. Folks, I'm going to stop right there. That right there proves that this whole thing about the energy problem with Bitcoin is a farce. The fact that there already is a solution in place and they're claiming that 39% is already done by renewable energy, that should tell you something. But what they're not telling you is this. How much coal do we freaking burn to create paper money? Anybody ever been by a paper mill and smell that smell in the air? Everybody's talking all this crap about how much energy it takes for Bitcoin transactions. How much energy does it take and how much coal and soot goes into the atmosphere as a result of all the fiat currency that we create? Huh? What about all the gas emissions? Nobody talks about all the oil and gas emissions. I don't think the energy that it takes to create Bitcoin is anywhere near what kind of emissions go into the air from burning gas and oil in the vehicles all around the planet. This is a bunch of bull by people that want to hate on what is new. Your new opportunity to participate in the greatest transfer of wealth in the history of mankind. And they're sitting up here talking all this trash to scare you. And they're playing with the money, making it go up and down like a roller coaster. So you hesitate on educating yourself. Don't get left out. Don't listen to it. There's just as much bad information out there as there is good information. Now we have to tell you, this is not investment advice. However, you should be able to see that if Mr. Musk is now sitting up here testing the liquidity of his Bitcoin, and he says, oh, when they reduce the emissions by 50%, which there aren't any, by the way, that's why he's saying that, we're going to go ahead and start accepting Bitcoin again for purchasing our cars. Folks, it's here. You can already go down there to the jewelry store and buy jewelry with Bitcoin. They got Bitcoin machines all over the freaking planet. You can basically go and start buying all kinds of game stuff using Engine Coin and Ethereum. The capability is already out there. Why are you waiting to open your portfolio? Hey, there's some links in the description. Check them out. You don't have a Bitcoin, you don't have an account for Bitcoin, click on the link down there and open your Bittrex account. Click on the link in the description and open your Coinbase account. Do something to start building your portfolio. Mr. Musk, as always, it's a pleasure talking at you. And as for you, Jose, thank you for biting that Elon Musk effect thing off my channel. With that, folks, I hope y'all have enjoyed this video. Holler if you hear me. Look forward to seeing the comments down there in the comment section. And I'll catch you on the next one.